how you can create rounded edges in Scratch. Let's go. So first off, you're gonna go into the reshape tool here, and then you can just click on the cube. We can zoom in some more here. Now go into the first edge up here, and you can click about here and about here. That will create 2 points surrounding this edge point here. Now going to the edge point, we can double click on it to delete it, and that will create this rounded edge. We can keep doing this on this edge and on this edge. So create a point, create another point, and then delete it. But once you come to the last edge, and this problem appears on just this edge, the lower left edge. I will start off by doing this as usual, but let me just zoom in a bit. When I delete this edge point, you will see it gets a bit weird here. It's not really rounded. I don't know if this is just a bug for me, but it happens every time. So if you have this problem, you can just make a point in the middle by clicking right here, and then you can drag it out a bit until you get that rounded edge. So yeah, that's how you make rounded edges in Scratch. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.